excited about the MSRA preparation and you got just 30 days left. So this video might be the best video you watch today. In this video, I'm going to tell you a 35 days proper plan how to do 4000 plus clinical questions plus 500 situational judgment questions. Sounds overwhelming, right? But today I'm giving you a proper plan, 28 days of preparation and 7 days of revision. Don't skip the video. This video might be your last chance to get into the NHS training. So before going to the plan, we need to understand the MSRA exam. MSRA exam is a multi-specialty recruitment exam. It comprises of the two parts. One is clinical problems and other is a situational judgment exam. An important thing, both comprise of the 50% SDT and 50% clinical question. And there are 50 questions of SDT for which you got 95 minutes and there are 86 questions of your clinical type for which you got 75 minutes. So total of 170 minutes you got for your MSRA exam. First discuss about what is situational judgment exam. So situational judgment exam comprises of the two types of question, which is ranking question. So they give you a question which is a kind of a situation in which you have been involved and you have to rank the order in the MCQ. So there is most correct answer and the most worst answer, which is there is not a single correct answer. So you have to order them into the most correct to most worst situation. Second one is combined three best answers. So you have to combine the three answers to make a correct solution combined. The second part is the clinical problem questions. So in this section we have again two types of questions. One is extended matching question and other is the single best answer. Let me show you how these questions look like in the exam.
So as you see, there's a multiple options for the single topic and you have to select the options accordingly. So the next thing is a single best answer. So this is a kind of the MCQs we used to do in the past as well.
Okay, so after knowing the exam pattern, so what is the scoring or a marking pattern of the MSRA exam? So this is a percentile type of exam in which your scoring rate depends how the other candidates perform on your day. So it is the average 1 to 4 bands which you allowed. One band considered as a fail and above the second band considered as a pass. So the average score which crosses about 250 in each of the section and you need to score greater than your fellow candidates on the same day. So there is a complete standard deviation around the 250. Either you score better than your fellow candidates or either you score poorly. That you need to score very high for this September MSRA exam. For me, I guess this September cycle is a more competitive one than the January. You need to score at least around 260 to 17 both to at least score around 520 to 530 to be able to get a GPC. And if you want to get a secretary or other field, you need to score even higher than this. The competition is very tight and the time is very short. Without further delay, just move into the main part of the video, how we're going to prepare in just 35 days. So one thing important, you need to prepare daily both. You can't do first thing SDT or other thing clinical because both are 50-50%. You need to start studying both at the same time and even try to give more importance to the SDT part because this is a relatively a new kind of exam for all the international doctors. So I'm going to give you a complete plan, so don't skip the video, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe it. I'm afraid that only 10% of the people who watch my videos are subscribed and remaining 90% are not subscribed to it. Subscribe that button, share this video to all the friends who is preparing for the MSRA. So first thing, what are the resources we are going to use for this? So we are going to use the Revise MSRA, MCQ Bank, Samson Clinical Mock, and for the SDT we are going to use the Oxford Handbook, the Revise MSRA Situational Judgment, UK Foundation Past Papers, GMC in Action, GMC Good Medical Practice. So you can also use the other resources like eMedica, Past Test, MCQs Vault. I don't recommend to use the Past Medicine. It is a really good MCQ bank, but it's a too lengthy to revise and to complete in just 35 days. I recommend you to use the Revise MSRA. MCQ Bank is available offline and also the Samson Clinical Mocks. Don't worry, I will provide all the offline data in the description box which you need to do the MSRA exam. I am dividing this preparation into the two parts. First 28 days as a preparation, last 7 days for the revision. A little tip for you is try to give more time on the SDT and 60% of your preparation time for the SDT and 40% for the clinical exam. So we are starting with the Oxford Handbook for the situational judgment. So Oxford Handbooks have 5 components and each comprises of the 40 MCQs. So I need you to do the 20 MCQs daily. At the end you will able to finish this in 10 days. Mind it, it just sounds like a 20 MCQs, but it will take a very long time because you have to understand the situation, make your own sense of the question, and at the end of the Oxford Handbook, there are the 2 practice tests. So you need to do in like coming the following days, and after that you will start revise MSRE situational judgment bank. So they comprise of the 255 questions. You need to do the at least 20-25 questions daily from the revised MSRA as well. And along with, you have to start revising the Oxford Handbook from the beginning. So because by doing just one time of the Oxford Handbook, you can't able to memorize anything. So I need you to revise the Oxford Handbook along with the revised MSRA. And along with, you have to just keep following the main guidelines, which is a good medical practice. And also there is a GMC in action. So whatever the question you are making, try to find it on the GMC in action. So there you find the way, the pattern they want you to follow for the situational judgment exam. So this is the complete pattern you need to follow. At least give 3 times Oxford Handbook, which is a very difficult to do, but you have to do it to pass the MSRA exam. In the meantime, this move to the second part, clinical problem solving exam. So I have divided this into the 14 parts, which is come onto the screen. You have to give 2 days for each of this, and along with this you have to do the same topic from the MCQ bank. I will give MCQ bank MCQs offline in the PDF, so you can get all the MCQ bank questions from the drive. This is very important because you have to do everything in the first go in the full attention. So there is no one topic more important than the other one. Every topic is equally important. You have to give at least 8 to 10 hours in the beginning, so try to build a momentum on it. The next part, how to manage this. I really understand it sounds overwhelming, but it is a doable. So better if you can get a leave and try to completely focus for the 1 month on this exam. So try to give 8 to 6 hour, completely 4 hour or 5 hour to SDT and 4 hour to 5 hour for the clinical problem exam. By the end of 28 days, you will ultimately complete your preparation. So the next part, how to revise or how to utilize the 7 day before the exam. So you have to revise what you have done for the last 28 days. So for this, I recommend you to do at least 1 to 2 mocks daily. So you have a 6 mocks in the revised MSRA, or you have around 11 mocks in the MCQs bank, which is present in the folder. You have to do at least 1 to 2 complete mock, build a complete momentum for the exam. Because it is an online exam you are going to give on the laptop, it is a really burdensome for your eyes and the brain to keep working in this pattern. So better to do 1 to 2 mock in the last 7 days, revise all the notes, all the data which you have done in the last 28 days. So it is really important, at least try to give a complete SDT revision. I know it is really tough, but try to revise it at least for 1 time. So this will make your sense of developing to solve the MCQs for the MSRA. If you do this, you have a great chance to score a good in the MSRA. So the last thing, the pro tips for it. Try to give more attention to the SDT. Give full attention in your first go, which is a really important. I know many of you can't able to revise or can't able to do the second reading. Try to give a full attention on the first go. At least do 1 revision and trust yourself. So if you have any question regarding the MSRA preparation, comment them down.